talking about drawing, labeling, and naming lines, line segments, and rays. All right, so first step, draw. Let's draw a line segment. Step 2, label. Let's label our line segment. Step 3, name. Let's name our line segment. All right. Our next step will be drawing a line. Okay? Okay. So we have line AB. A line, what does a line do? Does it end or does it keep going on and on?
It keeps going on and on in both directions.
That's right. So we need to have arrows on both sides. We still need to put a point because those points are where we label. So we drew our line. Now we need to label it. Yep, A, B. Now let's name it. How would we name a line?
We would put a little mini line.
We put a mini line.
And underneath we put AB.
And then underneath it we put AB. Good. Line AB. All right. Now let's do a line segment. We have line segment XY. Oops. So let's draw our line segment. What does a line segment look like?
Line segment is a line that starts at one point and ends at.
Good. It's got 2 endpoints. How would we label this line segment?
We put X on one point
Mm-hmm.
and a Y on the other.
Good. What about naming it? Is there a name? Oops.
You would just put a line without anything.
Good. Just a little line. That's the symbol for a line segment.
You don't have to put them.
Good. Moving on. All right. Next we have ray. A ray looks like
The rays on the sun.
the rays on a sun. So those are our rays and this is our point. So we're going to draw our ray like so.
Starts at one point
Mm-hmm.
and then goes on and on.
It goes on and on forever, just like the rays of a sun. So we have, let's say, ray MN. How would we label this? Would we put the M on the left side or the right side?
The left.
Right, the left side. You always put the first letter on the starting point and the last letter on the continuing point. Now let's name our ray. M, N, and what would we put over the top?
We put a line with one
A
arrow.
line with one little arrow. Good. All right. Now let's talk about the word parallel. What does parallel mean?
It means two lines that go on forever, but they never cross.
That's right. They will continue on and on and on and never, ever talk. That's right. These two L's, good point, are parallel. So let's say line segment AB is parallel to ray MN. Let's make this into our line segment. Make these into dots. And this is our ray. How would we label this?
You would put
A right here,
B right
a
there,
B right here, an M here,
and
and N here. Now how would we name this?
you would put a line segment,
Mm-hmm.
which is a line, and then put AB,
Mm-hmm.
and then put next thing with
Our
the two
parallel,
L's,
yep, the 2 L's, our parallel sign.
and then you would put a ray,
Mm-hmm.
and then
And this is a ray. Whoopsie. Can't make that into an arrow. So AB, line segment AB is parallel to to Ray MN. Next. Alright, our next word we're going to be talking about is perpendicular. What does perpendicular mean?
Two lines that cross but they make a right angle.
Two lines that cross and make a right angle. This is our 90-degree angle. Alright, so we have line AB. Okay, this is our line AB. A line has what on the end? Arrows, yep. And there's A, and this is B. Alright, so line AB is perpendicular to line segment CD. So let's make this our line segment CD. Good. How would we name this?
You would put
A, B.
With and then you would put A upside down T.
Right, that's our symbol for perpendicular.
And then
Because what would happen if you made this?
it look like a plus sign.
Right, we don't want to say AB plus CD. And then line segment CD. So that means AB, line AB, is perpendicular to line segment CD. Good. So next step, we're going to talk about intersecting. What does that mean to you?
It means that they cross, but they don't form it.
Right.
They can form out of obtuse angles.
Yep, we always will have two obtuse angles. Good, and two acute angles. Alright, so we're going to say line segment CD intersects ray AB. So this will be our line segment, CD, and this is our ray, AB. How would we name that?
You would do D,
CD, with our line segment over it,
and then AB,
AB,
with the ray.
with our ray over it, and then what would we put here in the middle? It doesn't have a symbol, so we just write CD intersects
They should make a symbol.
ray AB. You should make one. Okay, next step. Talking about angles. We have different types of angles. What's this angle called here?
Right.
Right angle.
Which is 90 degrees.
It is 90 degrees. Always forms a 90-degree angle. What about this one here?
Cute.
Acute. And how do you remember the word acute?
It's tiny.
It's a small angle, so it's cute. What about this one?
And that's always less than
That's right, good point. Always less than 90 degrees.
and then that's obtuse.
Which is what?
More than 90.
More than 90 degrees. What about this one here?
That's the straight angle. Which is 180.
Straight angle, which is always equal to 180 80 degrees. Good. All right. We're going to talk about complementary and supplementary. All right. yeah, let's say this one's approximately 50. Let's say 55. I bet it's 55. So this one's 55 degrees. So that means this one would be what?
It would be 50.
So 55 plus, yeah, 55 plus what equals 90? Or 90 minus 55, which is what?
5 and 35.
So this one here would be equal to 35 degrees. So 55 and 35 equal 90. So that means supplementary is what? Equal to what? 180, yep. So let's say we have this line here, this angle. Say this one is probably approximately 45 degrees. What would this one be?
We have to do 180 minus 40.
And what's that?
85
Mm-hmm.
minus 4. 3.
And then,
1.
so that means this one here would be approximately
135.
135. We don't know for sure because we don't have a protractor, but I'm guessing it's about 45 and 135. And that equals 180. All right, that's it. Good job.